Yoga and yoga therapy. What is yoga and what is yoga therapy? Yoga means no confusion. Yoga means no disease. Yoga means no setback, no sadness, no sorrow. When yoga itself has this meaning, then why the modern science or medical science or modern people are talking about yoga therapy? We understand physiotherapy, and modern physiotherapy in modern medical science has been adopted and picked up from the yoga, various asanas, various activities, various actions of yoga. But at the same time, our human mind wants something more, something new, something in deep, something with more logics. Now, in yoga therapy, we have to understand how can we be physically, mentally and socially fit. That is the fitness, we call it as a health. And that health can come through yoga therapy. In yoga therapy, what we do, we try to bring a total health to the person. And many of diseases which has got incompleteness in modern medical science have seen a completeness or the complete treatment in yoga therapy. That includes back pain, cervical spondylitis, slip disc or sciatica pain or migraine or headache or acidity or to a great extent blood pressure or to a great extent diabetes or obesity. Many of such diseases which have got a limited scope in the modern medical science is getting very much popular in yoga therapy. What is the basics of yoga therapy? Yoga therapy works as a holistic approach. If you got headache, there must be something wrong in the stomach or somewhere else. In yoga therapy, we treat the whole body as a one unit, not as an individual part or individual piece we treat it. So that is why yoga therapy may be a little longer than the traditional taking one single pill which will have alternatively many side effects. Even if you are taking thyroids or some antibiotics that may have many side effects. But in yoga therapy, there will be no side effects. On the contrary, there will be more luxury and you will enjoy your life with rejuvenation, with more happiness and with new joy in your mind. There will be celebrations and happiness. Through yoga therapy, you can turn around your life from diseases or from illness to at ease or at happiness. So through yoga therapy, many techniques, there are more than 300 small techniques involved in yoga therapy which are capable of curing and curing many diseases. For example, if you got headache, we got very simple formula how to be released from the headache. Simple, you do Mahasir Mudra. Mahasir Mudra, just pressing your one finger in the center and making this mudra for only 5 minutes and relax. Pay attention to your breathing and you will find a releasing of your headache. Such a great yoga therapy. One should go deep so that one can really realize how one can be free from the diseases. If you are suffering from stress, tension, depression, anxiety, which has practically not much options available in any other therapy, you have to come for yoga therapy. Yoga therapy does not mean doing yoga asanas. Yoga asana is again one small corner, a small piece in the entire yoga, maybe one small drop in the ocean of yoga. So yoga therapy is consisting and comprising of various activities, various yogic activities, yogic actions, yogic experiments, pranayam, pratyahara, dharana, small bandhas, small mudras, and so many techniques are involved for doing a complete yoga therapy. So for that, you must consult a good yoga acharya, a good yoga teacher who can lead you a really disease-free life so that you can celebrate your true life, not as a dragging your life, not full of stress, not full of tension, not full of depression. So enjoy. My all best wishes and blessings are with you. I wish you great joy, blissful moments in your life. Om Shanti. Namaste. Thank you. Cut.